I'm Amanda Farmer. I've been with DBSI for 13 years. I ensure that we're using the latest and most effective solutions for our clients by partnering closely with the leading manufacturers in our industry to make sure that we are up to date on their latest and greatest offering that they have, including new products or new releases prior to them being ready in the marketplace, so that when they do become available for sale to our clients, we are ready and able to support them. I think the thing that makes DBSI different than just an equipment provider is the fact that we are solution agnostic and we focus on providing the correct solution to our customers. We have the ability to source multiple brands in all forms of our business, and therefore it allows us to make sure that the solution that we're providing to that customer is the correct one for them, that they're not overpaying for something that's more than they need, and they're not getting stuck with something that's not going to be able to meet their needs either. And so I think that that's one of the big things that differentiates us, as well as the fact that our service team is able to support that mixed fleet of equipment as well. So we will never provide something to a client that we couldn't help them support after it's deployed. I think technology is going to continue to just take on a bigger role and a bigger space within the banking industry, as self-service and the want to complete transactions and to just be independent as a consumer continues to grow, and as all of the electronic becomes less scary. Traditional banking was based off of people who didn't necessarily grow up with technology being their go-to. Obviously, the trend is changing as millennials, Gen Z, everybody ages up and they're becoming the larger consumer group. We're going to see that shift to where they're going to be more used to the idea of just interacting from their phone, from a machine in the first place. And so we'll see that continue to grow in that aspect, but you can never fully replace the human element and the want to walk into a branch and to speak with a banker directly and have a person actually assist you. Having that as part of their offering is a huge part of how we enable our clients to give the best experience to their end users.